Hi, welcome to Branding B360 Knowledge Club. In this video, we're going to talk about the benefits of using Amazon pay-per-click. What is Amazon pay-per-click? Amazon pay-per-click is an advertising model in which advertisers pay a fee to Amazon when a shopper clicks on their ad. There are three Amazon ad types available: sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display ads. Sponsored products. Keywords and agent-targeted ads are similar to Google AdWords that enable you to promote individual products within Amazon search results and on product detail pages. Sponsored products are the most popular ads on Amazon. Sponsored brands. These are ads for brand building that allow brands to promote a custom headline, brand logo, and up to 3 products in their ad in the top spot above Amazon search results, with the ability to send shoppers to their Amazon stores page or a custom landing page on Amazon. Newly available are also video ads linking to product detail pages. Sponsored display ads. Ads that send shoppers to Amazon product detail pages. They deliver relevant ads both on Amazon and on external websites to shoppers who are visiting or visited, remarketing specific products on Amazon. Where do Amazon PPC ads appear? Sponsored product ads appear in 2 locations on Amazon: within search results and on Amazon product detail pages as part of an ad carousel close to the top of the page. Sponsored brand ads are displayed in different spots in the Amazon search results page, including the top real estate placement above the search results. Sponsored brands ads can also appear on product detail pages. Sponsored display ads appear below the Add to Cart button on Amazon product detail pages, next to and below search results, or on third-party websites and apps depending on the chosen targeting method. Who can use Amazon PPC ads? Amazon PPC ads can be used by vendors and sellers. Vendors sell product directly to Amazon in bulk. Then, Amazon sells them to its customers. Sellers sell products directly to Amazon customers through Amazon Store. Is Amazon PPC worth it? Well-run Amazon PPC campaigns help you increase your sales, improve your organic rankings, and build brand awareness. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video. Hit that bell icon and subscribe button so you won't miss our new videos.